Alright, so in this video, I will be working on my Coleman CT200U-EX, and I built this header pipe for it, and it sounds decent. You know, let's start it up. Doesn't sound too bad, but I want to wrap it, like put like an exhaust wrap on it, either using the fiberglass wrap or like the titanium wrap. And because a few problems is I burnt my leg on this a couple times, so I try to step off on the right side, and also it gets the frame real hot right there, and I'm worried it's gonna melt the seat if I use it for a long time. So I bought this exhaust adapter, and I was trying to look for like a 1-inch one, but I found a 2-inch to 1.5, and it doesn't really fit that well on it. I mean, if I really looked, I probably could find the correct one that I need, but let me set this up. Got the pipe, and what I'm thinking about doing, so I'm going to cut it like across what makes like a T or a cross, and then I'm gonna crimp it around it and then weld it all up. So I can get into this. I think I'm gonna have to make the holes bigger, so I think I'm gonna use a grinding wheel and cut them out. So let me get a grinding wheel on it.
You won't be able to see it, so. That'll work.
And I'll file out the inside, and then I'll just crush it in the vise, and then I'll grab that, make it wrap around, tack it, and then weld it all up. So I'll start filing it down. Alright, so I got the exhaust off. I have this all cut and filed, so I'm going to start crimping it and then fit it around it. I think that looks pretty good. Oh, the camera fell. So I'll just see how it goes on, and then I think I can just weld it right here. But I don't know how far in I want to do it. I'll be right back. I got most stuff out of the way, and I'm going to start welding. Head off. That should be tacked in. I'll just start welding it up. Why am I wasting my time using this? I can just go use the bench grinder. Fold the end up. Make a wrap around. Much better. Let me see. Vice grips. Nice and tight. Vice grips to hold it. I'll get a zip tie. Pull it tight. Then tighten it. And then you can start wrapping it around. And I'm going to overlap a little bit every single time. And make sure it stays tight. Leave about 1/4 of an inch. And then keep wrapping until you get to the very end. Then that would suck having to go back and do it again. I think I'm going to go up to this transition where it gets bigger, where the adapter gets bigger, aka the tip. So I'm going to cut it. And give it a little bit of slack. Get this ready. Actually, that was a bad idea. Give it a little bit of slack, and then do like we did when we first started. Fold the end over. Make sure it's pulled real tight. Oh, my glove came off. And then we'll get the zip tie, flip it over, pull it tight, then we get arms. I bet these scissors will cut it. Okay, never mind. Ha! The scissors freaking cut it. Alright, so I got it on. It's pretty sweet. Now these will smoke for a few first times it's on while you run it. That's normal. It'll stop eventually, but let's see how it sounds. I don't think it'll sound much different. Doesn't sound much different, but looks cool. Yeah, that's all water coming off that because I rinsed it. It's all steaming, but once I get once I'm riding it for a little while and it gets really hot, it'll start like smoking. But so that's all for today. See you next time.